Let's practice once again to figure out where we need punctuation. Punctuation, remember, those are the periods, the question marks, and the exclamation points to show emotion. So I'm going to read, and I don't want to put a period at the end of each line. No, that is not where my voice stops. I can't just put it at the end of my line. That's just where I ran out of room. That's not where my voice stops. So I'm going to try it again. My sister-in-law is important to me. Ah, that's where my voice stopped. I'm going to put a period there. Then I'm going to make this a capital letter because I'm going to bounce it up like a basketball and make that a capital letter. One reason is she is generous. Oh, my voice stopped again. I'm going to put a period there, and I'm going to change this to a capital letter because I'm going to bounce it like a basketball to start my next sentence. For example, she also sends food with us. Oh, voice stopped again. Period. Make the next one a capital letter. Sometimes they are tasty tamales. Oh, that was an exciting one. So I put an exclamation point at the end. Okay, let's notice something. Do I have periods at the end of my lines? I have an exclamation point here, but I don't have exclamation points at the top. That's because that's not where my voice stopped. The end punctuation goes where my sentence ends or where my voice stops. That's how you know how to punctuate your sentences correctly.